reported party on view. Code 3 chase. A driver spotted me. Suspects ripped through the gas station here. Will advise. Try to pin him. Stand by. He just flew past me. Give me everything you got. Dispatch. Major collision. Alright, fall up on his point. I want to slow this down with a rolling block. Everybody? PC down. I've got smoke. Jump him now. Get on. Block him. Okay, now. Hit him now! He's running a block. I can't get past him. 1053. With the pursuit. Please update us when you can. Still having a hard time keeping up. I might need a hand here. Any of the units stand by? Dispatch, you got any heavies you can send out here? We have to disable this vehicle.
Copy, X-ray 9. Rhino cover is heading up there. ETA a couple minutes.
I'm passing a block him with a 1075. Hold on while I get in front of him.
Station running as you approach the roadblock, 1067 on the left.
Drop a push through the block. Oh, no good. Oh, my vehicle's shutting down on me here. Yeah, I'm dropping back. Hey, guy around us. We still code 3.
Units in the area be advised. The Code 6 suspect was last seen heading eastbound. Call is still Code 6. Switch over to TAC 2 for quadrant setup. Members are advised to reference their screen for GPS position.
I'm gonna try to overtake the suspect. Run a block. Stand by. off the road. Don't let him pass you.
Gotta stay on the right here. Approach the roadblock. Spikes on the left.
1033, 1033, we need more units up. He's one, right to the boom. He's pulling away. I'm trying to stay with him. I'm backing off to give us some room here. Just ran some traffic. 1042, I'll be in at 1042, I got him. Stay on him, wait for my order. Someone bump this guy out of my way.
See if you can hurt him to the left. We've laid down some spikes for him.
Anybody know where he is? I lost my visual. Stand by. Cancel that. I got him. Oh, no good. Oh, my vehicle's shutting down on me here. Yeah, I'm dropping back. Yeah, I got him. Code 3. MVA, repeat MVA. He just hit me. Dispatch 1033, give me everything you got. Coming in, going through. Sorry, the vehicle came on me. 729, we got a 1073 on the road up ahead. Devin, he's entering that string yard, he's trying to lose us. This vehicle just rolled, I'm moving now. 1042, I got him. Oh, watch yourself. Break wide until this clears up. Want to jump on him quickly. Position yourself to roll into the box. Oh, look out, he's trying to the brakes.
Units on the pursuit call. Suspect was last seen heading eastbound. Containment is to include immediate area and everything west of his last known direction of travel. Wait out for further info.
Looks like he's got no intention of stopping. We'll probably, let's do a 1075 if I can get around him. Got him, block him. Trace your signs right at me, stand by. Yeah, this guy's not stopping. I'm gonna run a block on him. Oh, my vehicle's shutting down on me here. Yeah, I'm dropping back.
Units heading up to the code 3 chase. Suspect was last reported northbound. 10-block radius on a quadrant has been authorized by supervisor. Details will be provided on your screen.
This is 2 Echo 12, just south of that area. Let's get some units closer to the west side.